at julieblanner.com, where I share easy ideas for entertaining, home decor, and recipes. Today I'm sharing how to get a vacation vibe at home because it appears we're going to be spending some time here. As we have rescheduled vacations and things like that, I thought that you might enjoy how we make our home feel like a really relaxing retreat. The first tip is to declutter. It's actually the beginning of just about every home project I start. When you walk into your hotel room, you immediately feel relaxed and at peace, don't you? And that's because it has everything you need and nothing that you don't. Having less is so often more, and that is especially the case for a relaxing vacation retreat. So if you want to give your home a vacation vibe, declutter. Figure out what you can eliminate. Now, some of the things that you can eliminate are furniture. I know it might seem a little counterproductive, but you might also find that you can get by with a little bit less. Select items that have multiple functions. For example, at a hotel, you often find in between the two beds a nightstand that doubles as a small dresser. We did that in the girls' bunk bedroom. We also use indoor-outdoor folding stools as side tables, additional seating as needed, and of course both indoors and outdoors. That means that we don't have to have as significant amount of furniture, which reduces clutter. So anytime you can find something that's super functional, I highly recommend it. Another way you can find multitasking furniture is our indoor-outdoor chairs. We love these rattan chairs. They fold up and they provide additional seating in our lower lake living room when we have a big gathering of guests. But they can also be taken down to the dock or even just outside to gaze at the lake. So they're very functional and beautiful. And of course, that rattan texture makes it feel very peaceful and gives it that vacation vibe. And that's my next tip. Consider textures and patterns to bring in your vibe. In our guest bathroom, we have a really pretty rattan mirror. And again, that kind of gives it that little bit of tropical feel that I just love for vacations. You can also pull it in through a fun pattern. In our nook, we use a nautical stripe, but you could use, I love some of the pink and green southern fabrics to bring in palm trees and things like that. So you can bring it in through pillows, through curtains, through bedding, and so much more. But pattern is another fun way to give your home a vacation vibe without a lot of effort. Now, of course, paint always sets the perfect backdrop for any space, especially if you're trying to give it a vacation vibe. Choose a really relaxing, soft palette. You can get all my details about how I select paint colors, how they reflect light, and so much more in my paint color video. I'll link to it in the description below. Another way you can bring vacation vibe in at home is integrating a little bit of a luxury. If you've ever sunken in to a really amazing bed, actually sometimes I'll have friends that are like, I loved the bed at this hotel, so we bought it. The pillows, things like that, you can incorporate those into your home. You can also incorporate luxury bedding, those amazing sheets that you just want to sink into, but you can get the look for less as well. I love these microfiber sheets. They're super soft and they really stand out to our $600 luxury sheets. And yes, I do have both. But at the lake house, we use these microfiber sheets and they're so incredibly soft, you would think they're luxurious. You can just bring those into your home. Another way without spending a lot of money that you can bring in some luxurious bedding is through shams. Those make a big impact for the smallest amount of money because you're not covering the whole bed, you're covering a pillow. So that's a really great shortcut. Some other like luxurious fun items, you can start small, like some really fun tasseled napkins, and you can incorporate those. Now, those are available at a high-end store and a low-end store, and I'll link to both below. But if you start with something small, those are really easy, inexpensive ways to infuse that vacation vibe without spending a lot of money. Bigger pieces, of course, tend to have a more significant investment. As long as we're talking linens, I think these tassel towels are such a fun way to make your home have that vacation vibe. Whether you have an outdoor pool or you want to use it to double as a picnic blanket, these tassel towels are just so relaxing and makes you feel like you're at a high-end luxurious spa. Speaking of spas, think about the things that you love at the places you visit. If it is that bathtub, maybe that's somewhere you want to splurge. We did in our home in St. Louis, we added an air bath, and gosh, I am so grateful we did that before all this, because it's really nice to now we have plenty of time to relax and take a warm bath. And again, that brings that vacation vibe to our home because I get that same feeling. Another really fun way is through those luxurious robes. Nothing makes you feel more cozy when you're at a hotel than a big plush robe and some super soft cozy slippers. So why not treat yourself to some at home? It's the perfect time to do that. And you know what? Fake it until you make it. Until you can take that vacation, make your home that relaxing retreat that you long for. And finally, fresh flowers and plants can definitely make your home feel like a vacation. If you ever walk into a really nice hotel, you'll find that they have fresh flowers at the entry table and in little vestibules near the elevators, and sometimes even in your room. Plants are another great way. You'll hear me say this over and over again to bring a room to life. So if you want a tropical vacation vibe at your home, bring in a tropical plant. You can do the same thing with flowers, of course. Fresh flowers will always bring your room to life and bring you so much joy, and you deserve it all. And while again, you might not be able to have a full-blown resort, you can create one in your own backyard with some fun lawn games. I love the large oversized dice to play with, beautiful bag set, even a little tiki toss game. Any of that is so fun, and you can create a resort in your own backyard. I hope you enjoyed this video of how to get a vacation vibe at home. Please don't forget to click subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.